Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for lawnmower enthusiasts, the Briggs and Stratton 300E Carburetor. If you're looking to upgrade your mower's performance, you're in the right place. Stick around as we explore why this carburetor stands out from the rest. Let's kick things off by understanding what makes this carburetor special. Designed for Briggs and Stratton engines like the 300E, 450E, and more, it's crafted from premium materials for durability and performance. Whether you're dealing with a 125cc or a 140cc engine, this aftermarket part is engineered to deliver optimal performance. Now, what sets this carburetor apart? First, it's incredibly versatile. Compatible with various Briggs and Stratton models such as 08P502 and 09P602 series engines. Its sturdy construction ensures minimal idling, priming, and enhanced performance, all while maintaining a lower cost compared to OEM parts. Users rave about its ability to solve common mower issues, think oil leakage, difficulty starting, and inefficient acceleration. With this carburetor, you'll experience smoother engine operation and say goodbye to black smoke from your exhaust. It's a game changer for keeping your lawnmower in top shape. Worried about installation? Fear not. Installing this carburetor is straightforward, even for those new to DIY maintenance. Simply follow our guide or refer to the manufacturer's instructions. Once installed, regular maintenance ensures your mower stays in peak condition for seasons to come. As with any purchase, reliable customer support is crucial. Should you encounter any issues, AMINORD, the manufacturer, offers responsive service and a 30-day refund or replacement guarantee. They're committed to ensuring your satisfaction and the longevity of your investment. In conclusion, the Briggs and Stratton 300E Carburetor by AMINORD is more than just a replacement part. It's an upgrade that transforms your lawnmower's performance. From its durable build to its compatibility with various models, this carburetor ticks all the boxes. If you're serious about maintaining a pristine lawn and extending your mower's lifespan, look no further. Thank you for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and maintenance tips. Have questions or want to share your experience with this carburetor? Drop a comment below. Until next time, happy mowing!